On July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 stood poised on the launch pad. Aboard were Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, three men tasked with the monumental mission of landing on the moon. This mission was not just a test of courage but a pivotal point in the space race, symbolizing the peak of human endeavor and technological achievement. With a thunderous roar, Apollo 11 lifted off, carrying humanity's hopes with it. Beyond Earth's atmosphere, three men journeyed through the cold expanse of space. Aboard the Apollo 11, astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins embarked on a mission fraught with uncertainty and peril. The spacecraft, a marvel of engineering, was divided into two main parts: the command module, nicknamed Columbia, and the lunar module, known affectionately as the Eagle. As they approached the moon, executing the lunar orbit insertion, a critical maneuver that required precise calculations and nerves of steel, was paramount. Inside the cabin, the weight of their task was palpable. Surrounded by a silence unbroken by the chaos of Earth, they focused on the tasks at hand, their eyes fixed on the looming gray desolation of their destination. After a 4-day cosmic voyage, the moon's gray surface loomed large. A hushed world watched, as a human foot touched another world for the first time. It was the Eagle, Apollo 11's lunar module, that made this historic landing on the Sea of Tranquility. The module, a beacon of human ingenuity, settled onto the lunar surface, stirring up moon dust that had lain undisturbed for eons. As the hatch opened, Neil Armstrong took his first steps onto the moon, marking an unparalleled moment in human history. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," he declared, his words echoing across space and into the annals of history. This phrase captured the essence of the achievement, a personal act that was indeed a collective triumph. While on the moon, Armstrong and his fellow astronaut Buzz Aldrin didn't just make history with their footsteps. They conducted scientific experiments that would provide invaluable data about the moon. They installed a seismometer to measure moonquakes and a retroreflector to aid in laser ranging from Earth. The planting of the US flag, a symbol of pride and accomplishment, was not just about national achievement but a representation of an achievement for all of humankind. As Armstrong and Aldrin explored the lunar surface, humanity's horizon expanded forever. The journey home beckoned, but the echo of their achievement would resonate eternally. As Apollo 11 turned its course back to Earth, the astronauts, heroes of an era, prepared for the perilous re-entry into our planet's atmosphere. With precision that had defined the entire mission, they pierced the celestial veil and made their descent towards the Pacific Ocean. The world held its breath once more as the spacecraft, now a tiny speck in the vast sky, approached its watery landing zone. On July 24, 1969, Apollo 11 splashed down in the Pacific and the astronauts were safely recovered by the USS Hornet. The image of their capsule bobbing gently in the ocean marked the successful conclusion of a historic journey. Their return sparked jubilation across the globe. Streets were thronged with crowds, faces upturned not to the moon, but to screens showing the heroes of the hour. This celebration transcended borders, languages, and ideologies. Humanity had not just traveled to the moon, it had traveled there together. The legacy of the moon landing is profound and multifaceted. Technologically, it spurred advances in computing, material science, and telecommunications. Every smartphone, every satellite call, owes a debt to the innovations of the space age. Inspirational, too, is its legacy. It serves as a perpetual reminder of what can be accomplished when humanity dares to dream boldly and work collectively. The moon landing stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a stepping stone that continually inspires us to reach beyond the stars.